In this MobiClikz review guys, I will show you what is the MobiClikz, the sales page, the pros and cons, the price and all informations you need to know about MobiClikz. MobiClikz is a brand new mobile app that makes it easier than ever to blast your offer to $1,000 of targeted inboxes with a few clicks of your mouse. This brand new mobile messaging traffic app is a simple way to get all traffic you need to finally turn things around. The traffic starts flowing immediately. With a few clicks you can land and $1,000 of targeted inboxes for free without an email list. This works in any niche. You don't need to spend a dime. Rinse and repeat this as often as you want. You don't need a laptop to do this. Use this to promote any affiliate offer. They even have their own proven campaigns you can use with this powerful traffic app. This mobile messaging traffic app changes everything and finally unlocks an unlimited supply of hot free traffic without an email list, website or technical skills needed. The software is like nothing you've ever seen before. You don't need an email list, an ad budget or a website to enter thousands of hot buyers with one click of your mouse. MobiClikz make it easier than ever, like I said at the beginning. And this is guys some features of the MobiClikz, a brand new complete system for making money online. No email list needed, no website needed, no ad budget needed, no laptop needed. You can do this from anywhere. Get rich, trackable, guaranteed clicks to anything you want. They get unlimited free traffic that actually converts. Blast any offer to $1,000 of inboxes instantly using the power of mobile messages. Done for you campaigns included if you don't have anything to promote. $0 to $470 in 36 hours. Beginner beta tester case study included for free. Over the shoulder video training. This video training takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to get the best result possible with MobiClikz, even if you are a stone cold beginner and you're never made a penny before in your life. Also a push button mobile traffic gauging software app. This powerful push button app gets you access to unlimited clicks for a massive profits, and you don't even need a laptop. You can do this from your phone from anywhere. So this is the sales page, $473 online every day without a computer, using free traffic and no list and no website. And this is guys the features I just mentioned. So guys, you can scroll all the sales page. And by the way guys, the sales page, first link in the description below. And there is 3 steps to use the MobiClikz. Step number 1 is log into the MobiClikz app from any device. No laptop is required. Step number 2 is activate your free clicks and land in a $1,000 of people inboxes with no email list required. And step number 3 is send traffic to any link you want or use the included done for you campaigns if you don't have anything to promote. And before we see the price guys, I will glad to show you guys some bonuses you will get beside the MobiClikz if you act right now. Bonus number 1, do you have what it takes? $2,000 per day live event. Bonus number 2 is MobiClikz Accelerator $1 million a year blueprint. Bonus number 3, recurring 30 seconds free commissions. Bonus number 4, super lessons rise to 3 of their best most profitable offers. And bonus number 5 is a discount coupon, a plus 90% of discount coupon to MobiClikz, which will help you to take things to the next level and build your own income. And for the price guys, so basically you will get the brand new MobiClikz income system, step-by-step video training, MobiClikz mobile app for unlimited free traffic, how to a complete beginner uses MobiClikz to make $1,381 in just 36 hours, access to 5 done for you campaigns, and the bonuses I just mentioned. All this valued at $9,270. You can get it today guys for just $19 one-time pay, no monthly fees. And of course guys, you will have 365 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using the MobiClikz. Like I said, first link in the description below. Use it to get your copy, and don't forget guys to smash that red button below if you benefit from this video. Take care and see you later.